Hi everyone. In the previous lesson on electrophilic addition mechanism, we talked about how we can identify the electrophile and how we can draw the arrows to get our intermediate. So in this lesson, we are going to talk about the different intermediates and to identify the most stable intermediate. Right, so we ended last lesson with this structure, and so there are two intermediates that we can form. One of it is Br connected to the left, and the carbocation is formed with the positive charge on the other carbon, whereas in the other case, our Br is connected to this carbon here, and you get a positive charge on the other end. Alright, so these are the two intermediates that we have, and we need to see how which of them is more stable. Alright, so how do we decide if which of it is more stable? We need to see which group which carbocation allows us to disperse the positive charge more. So if you could take a look here, alright, you will see a positive charge on this carbon, and what we want to do is we want to disperse this charge. We don't want all the positive charge to stay on that carbon, and we know that our alkyl groups are electron donating, so I would like to highlight them. Alright, so I have one alkyl group here and two alkyl groups here. Alright, so what we can see is that the alkyl groups, if it donates electrons, right, is electron donating, so it donates electron density, right, what it can do is that it puts in more negative charge, right, negative charge per se into this carbocation, and what happens is that in a certain sense it will disperse the positive charge away. So the one on the left has two R groups, alright, but the one on the left only has one R group. So with that, we can conclude that on for the example on the left, alright, the positive charge is more dispersed, and that's why when we say when the carbocation is more substituted, alright, we actually get a stronger dispersal of charges, and this over here will be more stable. Alright, and because it's more stable, it is most probably going to give us our major product.